I'm Arohi Sagote, Pratima Wankhede, Sarbar Sheikh,
Pratik Sagwekar,
Rachel Gupta, Avni Rajesh Perambesi, Sakshi Pokhriyal, Naz Ahmadi, Preeti Dinesh Prajapati,
Prathamesh Swami,
Vritti, Kinjay Gauri,
Sudarshan Dhadika,
Sania Kapure,
Kandav Dewan,
Snupur Vijay Goyal,
Shivam,
Swamshi Shetty,
Vrishadani, Amantan Gosle,
Yash Lal, Kunsh Manatre,
Siddharth Reddy, Shriya Kharpode,
Manas Dange.
Bhargav Soham Ahirra.
I come from Nanded, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Maharashtra, Kannur, Kerala, Dehradun, Uttarakhand,
Mumbai, Maharashtra,
Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh,
Solapur, Maharashtra,
Bangalore, Karnataka, Dehradun, Uttarakhand,
Udupi, Karnataka,
Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh,
Hyderabad, Telangana,
Pune, Maharashtra, Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra,
Ratnagiri, Maharashtra, Dubai, UAE.
Aspiring entrepreneurs, also watching podcasts to keep myself motivated.
investing my time into learning more about artificial intelligence and also currently working on my public speaking skills.
I'm into podcasting, so I literally love to connect with new people.
Research about fintech and AI.
Currently focusing on UI and UX.
I love to play cricket and also study about the business strategies.
Study about data science,
Build AI and software applications.
Nature photography, hitting gym, reading novels.
Study about business strategy and startup consultancy. Cybersecurity, forensic science, psychology and also philosophy.
watch podcasts, and analyze businesses.
Stock market investing and learning about cryptos and bitcoins.
Cybersecurity, ethical hacking, penetration testing, and bug bounty.
to create a SaaS-based business in the future.
Coding, sometimes poetry.
Invest in stocks, and I also go to the gym.
What I like the most about this program is the practicality of it. We get to apply every single thing that we've just learned.
Develop both theoretically and practically along with the technical education.
Industry talks, your personal development, communication skills. So if you're trying to choose this university, I think it will be a great part of your self-development.
The reason I chose this course was due to its amazing and unique curriculum that focuses on practical application and skills rather than just theory. ITM is its futuristic curriculum and the way they teach latest technology.
Skill-based approach and its internship program.
Outstanding curriculum that they are providing and also this fantastic faculty that they have.
Tell you to start a startup and how to maintain it.
It's because they have a very practical approach towards education from industry experts.
I chose ITM Skills University because of their fast-paced learning methodology we use here.
The thing I like about ITM is the diversity between the students and the faculty, and this is what it makes unique.
Various opportunities that they provide us to attend tech events, and also they give week-long trip in Dubai.
The reason I chose ITM was because of its curriculum. They provide us a hands-on experience by a 1-year paid internship. The best decision that I ever had taken was to choose my college, ITM.